Good morning. This is our day 3 and I am Dhruva Bhattacharya. We are at a very beautiful place in Kodaikanal now and the property name is GRT Great Trails. So they are having a very beautiful property to stay in Kodaikanal, just in a valley. It is completely covered in clouds and all, and it is morning 6:30 now. Just a dedicated video for this GRT property, how the property looks like and how the facilities and amenities are here provided. So अभी हम अंदर जाएंगे. This is the starting point where आप मतलब जहाँ से आप अंदर जाओगे. सो रास्ता उतना अच्छा नहीं, ये बहुत ही इंटीरियर प्लेस में है. सिटी से करीब 6 किलोमीटर 7 किलोमीटर्स आपको आउटकट्स में आना पड़ेगा. सो ये प्रॉपर्टी का एंट्रेंस पॉइंट है. So this is the entry point for Great Trails. ये पूरा पार्किंग एरिया है and that place is the reception. वहाँ पे मेरा गाड़ी पार्क है. एक चीज़ यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. दे आर हैविंग वैराइटीज ऑफ फ्लावर प्लांट्स. चारों तरफ आपको सिर्फ अच्छे अच्छे फूल ही देखेंगे. एंड दिस इज़ द व्हीकल जो आपको आपके घर तक छोड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपका व्हीकल आप यहाँ पे पार्क करोगे और फिर इस व्हीकल से आपको घर तक छोड़ दिया जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ द प्लेस. मैंने जो आपको दूर से दिखाया था, यही यहाँ का इनका रिसेप्शन है एंड इट इज़ वेरी नाइसली डेकोरेटेड. कोरोना सिचुएशन के लिए यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर मॉनिटरिंग, जैसे आप देख रहे हो, देयर इज़ अ थर्मोमीटर, रजिस्टर, हैंड सैनिटाइज़र, एवरीथिंग इज़ अवेलेबल एंड दैट प्लेस इज़ द रिसेप्शन. रिसेप्शन में आपका बुकिंग जो भी आप कर सकते हो, दिखा सकते हो एंड दे विल अलॉट ए रूम फॉर यू. एंड देयर is a place for family because लोग यहाँ पे with their family they used to come, so that is the place for indoor games. Locked. So as you can see, there is a chess board, there is a there is a carom board, there is a billboard, TT, table tennis, so you can play to spend your time. And there is a nice view balcony जहाँ से आप पूरा ये वैली देख सकते हो. एक्चुअली It's a very nice place. Very मतलब एक दो दिन अगर आप you want to come out from your busy schedule and hectic lifestyle, तो आप यहाँ पे आके दो दिन इन पहाड़ों के बीच में आराम से निकाल सकते हो and you will really going to enjoy. So आज मैं GoPro सेटअप के साथ ब्लॉगिंग कर रहा हूँ एंड दिस इज़ द वॉशरूम एरिया. So in this property they are having two different types of villas. One is rock cabin and one is timber chalet. So this is a shortcut जहाँ से आप जा सकते हो. So I will show you the shortcut. So this is the room where I am staying. That the first room. वहाँ पे जो room है, that room I am staying today. And this place is a restaurant. So this is the shortcut to reach to your room, and there is having a very good facility. They are having lift to reach to each of these villas. So this is the lift number 1. And these are the staircase to reach to your villa easily from the restaurant, because restaurant is located there. This is lift number 3 to reach to rock cabin. So these are the rock cabin. And this is the entry point to my room. Balcony से कुछ ऐसा व्यू आता है. And again they are having only 2 floors. And this is the room where we are staying, completely mess up होके रखा है. This side you will not get any view, so इसलिए नीचे का जो कमरा है इनका प्राइस थोड़ा कम है. And because you will get a very beautiful view from this room, they are having a very nice window, completely glass का बना हुआ है. So you will get the view of the center valley, and you are having a nice balcony to sit and enjoy the entire valley from this balcony. Again पूरा cover up हो गया है fog से, cloud से. And there is some children's playground. वहाँ पे एक बंजी rope जैसा लगा हुआ है. You can cross the bridge through these ropes. And here my son is watching TV. So this is the lift. आपको अगर ऊपर पहुंचना है, so you are having a very good facility of having a lift. फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे अगर हमको जाना है, एंड देयर ऊपर और एक फ्लोर है जो आपको ये वाला जो टिम्बर सैशे है, अगर वहाँ पे टिम्बर शैलेट है वहाँ पे अगर आपको जाना है तो इसके ऊपर और एक फ्लोर है. सो दिस वॉक की बोला जाएगा, दिस वॉकवे इज कम्प्लीटली मेड अप ऑफ ग्लास सो दैट यू कैन एबल टू सी नीचे भी क्या क्या है, सब कुछ आपको दिखेगा. इवन ऊपर का भी ऐसा ही है. So we'll go little far from there. So इनके पास मुझे जो लगता है सिर्फ 2 ऐसे रॉक केबिन्स है, and they are having few more this timber chalets. से एक छोटा सा स्ट्रीम बह के जा रहा है नीचे तक. साउंड आ रहा है मुझे, बट आपको कितना आ रहा है मुझे मालूम नहीं है. एंड अगेन पूरा जो है क्लाउड से कवर अप होना शुरू हो गया है. सो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे यहाँ पे रुक के. जैसे लग रहा है मैं बादलों की दुनिया पे अभी हूँ. एंड मेरे पीछे पूरा कवर अप हो गया है क्लाउड से. And this is the time to cheer up. Woo-hoo! So there is some echo even coming. So बहुत ही अच्छा प्रॉपर्टी है अगर आप आके. हाँ थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है but it's worthy and if you are coming for 1 or 2 days you are really going to enjoy it. ऐसे तो कोडाईकनाल
from your hustle bustle days you will be relaxed in this, I feel so.
हाँ मतलब आपको अगर just for 2-3 days अगर आपको कोडाईकनाल आना है, you will get, there are plenty of means properties are available to stay, but facility wise and बाकी जो amenities है इसके चलते ये प्रॉपर्टी भी ठीक है. ऐसे तो सभी रिसोर्ट ये सब मिनिमम मतलब सब कुछ एमिनिटीज देता है. ये organized yesterday evening
some family games like bonfire, some indoor games and all, so we enjoyed a lot actually in the evening. Anyways, evening you can't go anywhere out, so it's totally foggy and it's very risky, right? So they have arranged and the time just spent like that. So really we enjoyed. It's a nice family game and we all interacted with many people, those who came from other parts of like Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. So really it's a nice enjoyment we had yesterday.
Good morning. मॉर्निंग में जॉग कर रहे हैं बिकॉज इट इज़ ए अपहिल एरिया. दिस इज़ द वे जहाँ से आपका जो मैंने कार दिखाया था विच विल ट्रांसपोर्ट यू फ्रॉम द रिसेप्शन एरिया टू योर cabins. So it is a kind of a uphill, and within 10 minutes it is again completely covered up with clouds. So they are having some nature walk activity now. So let me find out what is the timing, if it permits, because Preetha has to take her classes by 9 o'clock. So if it permits, then we'll go and meet them.
It's up and down 6.5 kilometers.
6.5.
Yes, sir.
So now we are in the trails of this nature walk, and कुछ ऊपर हम अभी चढ़ चुके हैं, and this is the trail. People are going straight, and there is a coordinator in the front. His name is Prashant. So नज़ारा देखिए, it is completely covered. कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है. And Preetha is here. Prashant, what is the name of this hill? Any name?
This is the place called
Padai Patti. Okay. Okay. And what is the elevation of this Kodaikanal? 800.
No, 2,130 meters from the sea level, sir.
Oh.
From the sea level. And this is not the top of the Kodaikanal. That's a place called Observatory. That's the topmost peak, sir.
Okay. Anyway, this is also not less.
But yeah, by climbing first, we'll feel it. We'll feel like this.
So we are taking a 2 minutes break now. We are somewhere around little bit on the flat surface. So which way we'll go now? Oh, so this is the way. We'll move ahead. We'll wait for all people to come here. Then again we'll start. So even we cannot see 10-15 meters more than that. इतना क्लाउड हो चुका है अभी. It's a nice place. You should try this if you are coming here. So we are heading back now because Preetha has to take her classes. So we left the remaining people to move ahead. हमको यहीं पे छोड़ना पड़ा. So she will be taking class from here itself today. So that's why, and it is morning 8:30. The class will start by 9:10. So क्या कर सकते हैं? This is how the life is. तो अभी सीधे नीचे जाएंगे ब्रेकफास्ट करके, फिर देखते हैं आगे और क्या कर सकते हैं. And there is another property मेरे पीछे आप देख पा रहे हो, but it is not opened. So even my battery is draining out. So. Oh, drinking water also they have to carry like this very difficult life in the hills. तो अभी हम और एक एक्टिविटी करने जा रहे हैं, दैट इज़ हॉर्स राइडिंग. सो अभी देखते हैं, हॉर्स तो खड़ा है वहाँ पे, लेकिन अभी वहाँ उसका राइड हो पाएगा कि नहीं वो मुझे मालूम नहीं. सो विल गो एंड सी. तो ভালো হয়ে যাবে, তো কিচ্ছু করবে না. যাও. কত ভালো. So now we are way to the restaurant. This is the restaurant, and that is the first floor one is our cottage. So in the morning we had a buffet breakfast here, and it is a really good one. And now we are heading towards the children's park area. Chalo, bhago. So first we'll go that side. इधर से ये तो क्लोज है, उस साइड का तो वो क्लोज है. So that side there is a ropeway bridge. From that आप इधर से इस स्पॉट से उस स्पॉट तक जा सकते हो, but it is closed because rainy season है, and it is a very slippery, dangerous thing now. So they have closed this activity for now. They usually open it at summer season. जैसे उठते हो So this is the dining area of Great Trails. अभी मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट ख़त्म हो चुका है and they are having a buffet breakfast here. दिस इज़ द व्यू फ्रॉम इधर से पूरा बैल्कनी से आपको व्यू, ग्लास विंडो है चारों तरफ, सो यू विल गेट ए नाइस व्यू ऑफ द वैली. So this is the time to say goodbye to this beautiful and amazing property, GRT Great Trails कोडाईकनाल. सो हम लोगों ने बहुत एंजॉय किया यहाँ पे. वी स्टेड 2 nights. सो if you are planning to come to Kodaikanal and you want to stay in a very beautiful property where mist are just all over surrounded, so must you can consider this place. It is little bit expensive compared to other properties and little bit far from the main city, लेकिन ठीक है, you can still come and enjoy here. So the best time to visit, what I asked, is it is between April to June. इतना फॉग और क्लाउड्स आपको नहीं मिलेगा. एटलीस्ट यू कैन एंजॉय द व्यू. मॉर्निंग को आपने जो टाइम लैप्स देखा उसमें तो मतलब पूरा क्लियरली व्यू दिख रहा था, बट अगेन बाय 12 o'clock नाउ आफ्टरनून अगेन पूरा क्लाउड से भर गया है. कल भी ऐसा ही सिचुएशन था कुछ, बट इट इज़ ओके. सो I'm going to miss this property and this view and staying here. So I am Dhruva Bhattacharya signing off with my family, and if you like my videos then please put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you will get notified to all the upcoming videos what I'm going to upload in this channel. So here again signing off for today. We will see you in the
next video.
And we will see you in the next video. So have a great day, and all together we will make our next trip possible.